Hello friends, I am Ishan. Today we are going to discuss the topic Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao scheme. I am going to speak in favor of the Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao scheme.
Hello friends, I am Kajal. I am going to speak about the challenges faced in the implementation of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao scheme.
Hello friends, I am Nirja. I am going to speak in favor of the Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao scheme.
Hey guys, I am Rohit. I am going to speak about the challenges faced in the implementation of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme.
Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao supports education of girl children. This initiative will help in reducing the rate of child marriage. It raises awareness about the importance of girls' education. The scheme aims to improve the survival rate and education rate of girl children. It promotes gender equality and challenges social norms. This scheme provides incentives to families to educate their daughters. This helps in changing the traditional attitude towards girls. The initiative aims to ensure a safe and supportive learning environment for girls. It promotes awareness about the importance of girls in nation building. This scheme supports the overall empowerment of women in the society.
There may be a lack of awareness about the benefits of the program. This initiative may not reach the most marginalized communities. The impact of the program may be limited by socio-economic factors. There may be challenges in ensuring consistent quality of education. The scheme will not be able to adequately address issues related to the safety of girls. The scheme may face challenges in effective implementation. There may be problems related to inadequate funding and resource allocation. Some areas may lack the proper infrastructure to support this initiative. The program may not fully address deep-rooted gender biases. The plan may face resistance from communities with traditional views.
This helps create a supportive environment for girls. The aim of this initiative is to increase the number of girls in schools. It works towards reducing the school dropout rate among girl students. This program supports vocational training for girls. It encourages community participation in promoting girls' rights. This scheme provides financial assistance for the education of girl children. This encourages families to invest in their daughters' education. This program helps improve the health and well-being of girls. It discusses issues related to female feticide and gender bias. This scheme promotes the participation of girls in various fields.
There may be a lack of community participation in the program. This initiative may face challenges due to changes in cultural norms. Without complementary policies, the effectiveness of this plan may be limited. There may be inconsistencies in the implementation of the program across different states. The focus of the program may divert from other important aspects of girl empowerment. There may be delays in benefit distribution in some areas. This initiative may require better coordination with local authorities. This program will not be able to effectively tackle the problem of gender-based violence. There may be gaps in monitoring and evaluation of the impact of the scheme. This scheme will not be able to provide adequate support for higher education for girls.
Hope you like our discussion. Please comment and let us know if you think we should add some other important points that we may have missed.
Also, if you want us to cover any group discussion topic, please let us know. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet.
Please stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Till then, goodbye. Take care.